Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate international market in Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first job in Shopify, click on the Get Started option. And from here, you can create a Shopify account by using one of these options. You can sign up with a business or working email, an Apple account, a Facebook or Google, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, activating the international market in Shopify can bring several benefits to your business because number one, by selling internationally, you can tap into a larger customer base, potentially reaching millions of new customers who are interested in your products but may not have access to them locally. Of course, selling to international customers can significantly increase your revenue stream as you expand your market reach. You have now the opportunity to generate more sales and grow your business. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, you just need to hover to the lower left section of your Shopify account. As you can see, there's the cog icon settings. Now click on it and just go to the market right now. Okay, so basically, as you can see, my international market is not active yet, or it's not activated, but my primary market is in the United States. And obviously, all you have to do from here is click on the international market. Now, once you are here, so obviously you have the market settings. So we will discuss all of it. Now, in the languages and domain, that's for your Shopify store, and the products and pricing should be changed into the currency that you wanted to use on your Shopify store. And again, before you can do that, make sure that the Shopify payments is active so that you can manage the base currency and enable local currencies. Of course, from here you can adjust the prices. Now, from here, as you can see, these are going to be some samples of the support international market: Belgium, Canada, Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, and a lot more. Now, when you go to the duties and import taxes, when you click on it, as you can see, you can collect duties and import taxes to all of these regions and locations. So it's up to you. All right. As you can see, to turn on duties and import taxes collection first, you need to do the following. Now, after that, we go to the shipping option, because from here you can search 28 countries and regions that you wanted your shipping to support. Because we're now in the United States, you might want to go something like to the European countries or the Southeast Asian. So it's up to you. All right. Now, after doing so, click on the store settings payment, because from here you need to manage the payment methods you accept worldwide. Click on that. And as you can see right now, I'm using PayPal as my main payment gateway. But obviously, you can click on the add payment method. Once you do that, you can search for a lot of other services. You can search by payment method or search by provider. Either way, just type in something like this one, like Visa, credit card, or MasterCard. So there's a lot that you can do from here. After that, you need to go to the taxes, because from here, as you can see, you can create a shipping zone in the region you want to collect tax in, and then find the region on the list and select it to manage its tax settings. If you're unsure about where you're liable, check with a tax professional. All right, you can use QuickBooks and go to the Select Pro Advisor. Now, from here, it's up to you. And if you hover down below, these are some apps that you can connect to your preferred sales tax service to Shopify, and more partners are coming soon. Now, from here, if you needed more help about the Shopify international market and how to activate it, just go here at the help center, because from here, these are the sales channels that you can reach the customer support agent. In the very bottom, click on the 24/7 support. And once you do that, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.